Welcome to Enovin Cake and Cookies. Today we are baking a Christmas special carrot cake, easy to follow and perfect for festive home baking. First take one carrot, grate the carrot and keep it aside. Grate the carrot finely for a softer cake texture. Now in a blender add half cup sugar, 2 to 3 cardamom pods and 7 to 8 almonds. Blend everything until smooth. Add half cup curd in a bowl. Pour the blended sugar mixture. Mix well. Now add 1/4 cup melted ghee and mix well. Sieve 1 cup flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Mix gently. Always mix the batter gently after adding flour. Add 1/4 cup milk. And make a smooth batter. Now add the grated carrot and mix gently. Grease a 6-inch mold with oil and place baking paper. Pour the batter. And top with chopped almond, pistachio, cashew nuts and cherries. Place a pan with a wire stand and preheat for 5 to 7 minutes on medium-low heat. Cook the cake for 35 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Preheating the pan ensures even cooking. Cook on medium-low heat to avoid burning the base. Cool completely before slicing. Cardamom add a traditional festive aroma to winter cakes. Nuts on top help keep the cake moist while baking. Carrot cake tastes even better the next day as flavor deepens. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene and antioxidants. Homemade cake allows control over sugar and fat. Nuts provide healthy fats and essential minerals. Ghee helps keep the cake moist and flavorful. Your Christmas carrot cake is soft, fragrant, and full of festive warmth. Serve it with tea or enjoy it as a holiday dessert. Try this recipe at home and share your experience with me. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more festive baking ideas.